Welcome to our YouTube Happy Coding series on the history of computers. Today, we're diving into the remarkable individuals and programming languages that have shaped the digital world we know today. Our journey begins in the 1840s with Ada Lovelace, a visionary mathematician. In 1842 to 1843, she wrote the world's first algorithm intended to be processed by a machine, making her the world's first programmer. Fast forward to 1890, Herman Hollerith created a punch card system used to process and analyze data, a critical step towards modern data processing and tabulation. Jumping ahead to 1943 to 1945, Konrad Zuse unveiled the Z3, the world's first programmable digital computer. This marvel paved the way for the computers we use today. In 1949, John Mauchly designed the UNIVAC I, one of the first commercially produced computers, marking a significant leap in computing technology's accessibility. 1952 brought us Alec Glennie, who developed the concept of using words and symbols to program computers, setting the stage for future programming languages. Moving to 1957, John Backus introduced Fortran, the first high-level programming language, which revolutionized how programmers interacted with computers. Just 2 years later, in 1959, COBOL emerged, focusing on business data processing and laying the foundation for many future business applications. 1964 brought us BASIC, a beginner-friendly programming language that made computer programming accessible to a wider audience. 1970 introduced Niklaus Wirth, who developed Pascal, a language used for teaching programming concepts and fostering good coding practices. 1972 saw Dennis Ritchie create the C programming language, which became the backbone of many modern operating systems and software applications. Jean Ichbaya, in 1980, designed Ada, a programming language with strong safety and reliability features, widely used in critical systems. In 1983, Jarn Stroustrup introduced C++, an extension of C that brought object-oriented programming concepts into mainstream development. The same year saw the birth of Objective-C, laying the groundwork for Apple's iOS and macOS app development. 1991 brought us Guido van Rossum, creator of Python, a versatile and readable language used in web development, data analysis, and more. 1993 saw Yukihiro Matsumoto introduce Ruby, known for its elegant syntax, while James Gosling gave us Java, a language that powered the dynamic web and applications. Rasmus Lerdorf's PHP, born in 1995, fueled the web's dynamic content and played a pivotal role in shaping modern web development. Finally, in 1996, Brendan Eich crafted JavaScript, enabling interactive web pages and later becoming essential in web application development. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through the history of computers and the brilliant minds behind the programming languages that changed the world. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights in our YouTube Happy Coding series on the evolution of technology. Don't forget to like and subscribe.